Hey guys, welcome to another week's vlog. It's Wednesday and I do go into work later tonight. I actually am working 1 to 10, 3 nights in a row. So yesterday, today, and tomorrow. And I am sick and I don't know what's going on, but I feel a little bit better. But Monday, I was going to start vlogging on Monday, but I had a fever and I was feeling like achy. I was feeling so awful and I basically just kind of like napped on the couch, tried to relax, tried not to overdo it because I felt so bad. And then yesterday I still felt pretty bad, but I had to go to work. And today I'm feeling a little bit better. I think I'm like past it. I think it was just something like stomach issue going on. Yeah, I think I'm feeling better, thank goodness, because that was really bad. So I'm having some coffee and I'm editing a video. I am really behind. I just really did not even have the energy to like sit and focus on editing a video. And then yesterday I tried to get up early, but I really needed some sleep, I guess, because I slept for a long time. I'm having coffee in my little skunk mug, but this is so adorable. So one of my coworkers actually asked another who is so talented to draw this. And so the other girl had the idea of a cactus porg, which is like two things that I love rolled into one. But how freaking adorable is this? I mean, she did that. Look how cute it is. It's so cute. I really love it. So she was like, yeah, I think it turned out good. I was like, no, you don't understand. I'm in love with it. So that is just the cutest thing. I did get my gratis too. So I've got a regular bag. I've got this from Smashbox, which is some stuff we picked out. So I've got a primer, foundation, lip, and eyeshadow. And then I've got a little Bare Minerals kit. It's got like, it's like a little emergency kit type thing, which is just like a promo for something they've got coming out. I am going to be doing a video on that so you guys can see it in more depth. So that's my little morning. I have about an hour or so before I need to really start getting ready for work. So this is what I'll be doing, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, it's Friday night and I'm about to go take a bath, but I thought I would quickly show you some things I got in the mail today. Sorry I look awful. Look how like dark I look. I swear some of it's shadow. But I'm gonna quickly show you guys some things I got from Ulta. I placed another little order because it was, I think, 5 times the points or 4 times the points. And I also got some stuff for a video, so let's check it out. First, this is really cool. So one of the diamond perks was to get a full size of the Smashbox Studio Skin for free. So I actually got 1.1 and I just got, I think, shade 1.0 or something like that in my gratis haul. So I've got 2 shades in this, and this was crazy. I think this was just with a purchase. It may have been a dollar amount, but I thought that was so awesome. And in addition to that, a deluxe Smashbox primer with any foundation purchase, and I think it might have been $15 or $25, something like that. And yeah, I've never tried the green one, the color correcting one, so I thought this would be awesome to try out together. So everything else is the Ulta brand. So I got their large sculpting blender, latex free, and then they had a free goodie bag with all sorts of stuff in it, but I actually put all my other Ulta Beauty stuff in here. So I got their HD soft focus liquid foundation I got in there. I've got some powder, concealer, setting spray, mascara, lips, basically just a little bit of everything to try out. And a lot of it came with this free bag with the Ulta Beauty purchase. And this is the on-the-go makeup removing face towelettes with vitamin E and B5, which I thought was really cool. And I like having a small pack like this to throw in my purse. So I thought that was a really good little deal. So I'll be doing a video showing you guys those products. I want to show you guys more affordable products. So this is definitely a good start. And this was a pretty small order. I didn't spend too much. And I think I spent like maybe 40 bucks. So there you go. That's my little haul for the night. Mr. Manners is on level 1 of the coffee table. Hey, buddy. Hi. Hi. Are you shining us? Okay. Then we got Sneak. Oh my gosh. What are you doing? Hey, Killer. Hi, Killer. She's so sneaky. And then we've got Miss Sniffs. Hey, baby. You haven't really been wanting to hang out with me. What you doing? What you doing? Don't you try trying to get me? Crazy. What? What you doing? Hey, do you want to get in that bag? Okay. Hey. Yeah. We got these bags from a store at the beach called Alvin's Island, and they love them. And they're kind of like breathable, so I don't have to be afraid of them going into them. Let's see. Do you want it so bad? Okay. All right. Be nice, girls. No, no. Bad girl. Bad girl. Oh my gosh. I will show you guys my bath in just a few minutes. Alright guys, I thought I would quickly show you. This is the unicorn bath bomb I picked up from Walmart. Look at that sparkle. It's pretty. So I'm going to throw this in. Oh, that's lackluster. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is glittering. Glittering. It's sparkling. Wow, that was really lackluster. Alright, time for this bath anyway. So I'm gonna relax in this bath and then I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, I'm at work. I'm a few minutes early. Sorry. This lighting is crap. Also, my makeup looks freaking awful. I barely did like foundation. I have on the Marc Jacobs Remarkable, and I did just 2 colors from the White Peach palette, but it looks pretty bad. So I'm early. I'm just a few minutes, so I'm going to be waiting on the next person to show up so I can go in. But I wanted to say hi and check in with you guys, and I don't know, I've got my Hint pineapple water, and I've got a crunchy peanut butter Cliff Bar that hopefully I can eat before we open. And that's what we're looking like. So I'm gonna have my Saturday at work. I work until 6, and then afterwards I think we're going to go to Target and grab a few things, and I'll probably take you guys with me. So I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, it is now Saturday.
Yes.
It's Saturday night, and we're at TJ Maxx. We gotta go to
Target.
Also gotta go to Target and grab stuff, and then we're gonna eat something. I'm starving because all I've had is a Cliff Bar. Ugh, I need to like poof my hair out. So, and then I got Starbucks. So I got a caramel iced coffee with cream and Splenda. So we're gonna go in here and hopefully find a few good things, not too much though. And I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Just a regular day. I went to Whole Foods and this is what I got. Ah! Hey. Hey. What you doing? Okay. Can I take you? Okay. Bye-bye. Hey guys, it is now Sunday, and I thought I would show you guys a couple of things and then get to wrapping up this vlog so I can get it ready for you starting tonight. What's going on? Ugh. I really like my brows, and I'm going to tell you the combination that I'm using. I got a shade too light in my brow wiz, so it was just in gratis, but I got taupe. And I would usually use soft brown. Taupe is pretty light for me. And I also have the Brow Stylist Definer from L'Oreal, I think. So I used, and that's in a light brown. So I used it here, and then I used the taupe on the inner part, and I actually really like it. This is kind of worn off. I think I like touched it and remove some so it doesn't look as good as it did, but it actually created a nice fade. I just used 2 pencils, so yeah. And I feel like the Brow Stylist is a little waxier of a pencil in consistency, so it actually does a pretty good job of like helping the hairs stay a little bit more uniform. That's what's going on, and I want to show you some stuff. First, Sniffles! Hi baby. Hi baby Sniffies. She is so sweet. She actually laid on the side of the bathtub while I took a bath a couple nights ago and just hung out with me. So, first of all, I got this backpack the other day, and I don't think I showed you guys, or maybe I did, but I started using it and it's so cute. I don't even know what brand this is. I found it at Ross and I just thought it was so freaking cute. The little pink of blush and the lashes and the ears. It's so cute. And I know that's kind of silly, but I love it. I don't care. I also went to Bath & Body Works, so I want to show you what I got. It's a card from a friend. I got 2 candles, one of which I'm pretty sure I have one. I just wanted the new packaging and a backup. But this one is new. This is the almond scent. This smells so good, and I love the like hammered copper lid there. But the almond just smells sweet and light and luscious. I don't even know what to say it smells like. It says sweet almond blossoms, vanilla orchid, and sandalwood. I definitely smell more just almond and sandalwood, but this smells like my uncle and aunt's house who I used to stay with. I used to go to West Virginia for my summers and like stay with a family for a month or two, and sometimes I go to my other aunt and uncle's house where I predominantly stayed at the other, and I had a cousin that was like right at my same age and then a younger cousin there, and we just hang out and it was a fun time. But I remember their house smelling like this and it brings back so many memories, and I always loved that smell, and it was just a very like homey house. I really liked it. So that's that one. I got one more, which is definitely a fall scent that I needed. First of all, the lid is super cute, the pumpkin design. So I got another pumpkin pecan waffles, and I am dying over this label. How adorable with the pumpkins that have like a waffle design on them. So cute. I just love it. So I picked those 2 up. Love those. They were $12.95, and this pumpkin pecan waffle smells so good. It is just like sweet and pumpkin-y, but it's maple syrup, golden waffles, pumpkin spice, and brown sugar. And it literally smells like what pumpkin pecan waffles would smell like with some syrup. Ugh, love it. I also got something silly. Hey, you interested? Minas? Mina? Hey. Okay, you're more interested. So there's a store in the mall that I sometimes go in that have like, they have anime stuff, they have gaming stuff, they have all sorts of like memorabilia, Hello Kitty, Pusheen, Gudetama, Pokemon, all sorts of stuff. And I was looking for some blind boxes, but what I wound up finding was even better. So look at this little guy. So these are the Beanie Boos, and I don't know, if you have any interest in, excuse me, buddy. If you have any interest in seeing all the ones that I have, let me know. I don't know if there's anybody that would really care about that, but he's got sparkly little 3 toes, and let's see what his name is. Where's his name at? His name is Dangler. So I got him, so cute. And then I saw this guy, and I could not resist. It is a platypus, and I've always thought that platypus were... Excuse me. I've always thought that platypus were so cute. And look at him. Oh my gosh. So sweet. And his name's Perry. Perry. He said, I've got a bill just like a duck. I hope your friendship brings you luck. I hope our friendship, I guess. But look how cute. And I'm loving the little glitter that they're doing. That's new. And then the girl checking me out was like, oh my god, that platypus is so cute. I've got to get the pink one. I was like, pink one? So this is it. Oh, she's so cute. I'm such a sucker. I love stuffed animals, and these are just so cute with their glittery eyes. So let's see what her name is. Come on. So her name is Wilma. It says, broad and flat my tail can be. I'm like a duck, can't you see? Oh, she's so pretty. Hey! Are y'all being mean? You okay? Sally wasn't feeling well yesterday. I don't know how she's feeling today. Manners, are you being mean? You being mean? Okay. May have picked up 2 little things at Sephora. One, I had to get, so this actually wasn't supposed to be out, so I feel silly for having bought it when we shouldn't have had it out. But it was nobody's fault. It was really a misunderstanding. And then I got a Sephora brush, and this is the Pro Fan Detail. It's like a small fan brush that I think is going to be great to highlight with. So I got 2 new things just to try a couple new things out. I'm so excited about this because I am ready for fall and Halloween. And look at this burgundy velvet skull. It's amazing. So anticipate a haul very, very soon. So I am actually about to relax on the couch. I think I'm going to go ahead and start importing these videos so I can start editing for you guys. And I don't know really what this week's vlog looks like. I don't remember everything that I vlogged. I know I didn't get a chance to really vlog inside TJ Maxx or in Target, and I hate that I'm like, hey, I'll vlog, and then I don't. But it's just like, it's so busy in there. I need to go at like less busy times, I guess. And thank you guys so much for watching this week's vlog. I'm going to take off this makeup, get comfortable, and start to edit for you guys. So hopefully you enjoyed. I hope you did. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing vlogs. And definitely leave me some comments below if there's anything that I'm not vlogging, something that you'd like to see, let me know and I can do that as well. But make sure to subscribe as well and turn on those notifications so you know every time that I upload. And I am trying to get better. I've had like a couple rough weeks where getting myself together has been a struggle, but I only uploaded 2 videos last week, and I'm trying to get at least 3 Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I'm gonna try to get better. You guys definitely leave me some motivational comments down below, because you guys are like the reason that I'm happy to do it, because I see all of your guys' wonderful comments and it truly makes me happy. So thank you again so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.